What's up, everybody? We got the Speed 6 engine sitting here, and we're gonna take the head off today because we don't need the head for the 2.5. We need the head from the actual 2.3 that came out of the Speed 6, which is in that box back there. So we're gonna start tearing stuff off. We need to take the pulleys and stuff off anyways to take off. We're just gonna take everything off. Take it all off. The oil pan needs to come off because we also need to use a different oil pan. So a lot of things need to happen. We're just gonna start tearing into the engine, and yeah. Unfortunately, before I drop the camera, this is about as far as the head will be tore down in this video. It's gonna be a little bit shorter video. I'm sorry for that. I ran into an issue where I don't have this little like star. I don't even know. I think they're stars. They're not T's, right? I don't think they're called T's. They might be T something. But I don't have one that big. I have small ones. Don't have the big ones. I need to take the spark plugs out still. I need to take this little O2 boy out, I believe. And I couldn't get the crankshaft bolt out to get the pulley off to take the timing cover off. So yeah, I don't know. I was able to get the cams unseated pretty simply, and they kind of popped out, so that wasn't a problem. We're gonna try to just take all of those out at this point and then pull the head off, and then once we get that off, hopefully we can get the timing cover off and to move forward with the inspection and build of the engine and get it into the car. We do need to do some cleaning in the engine bay, so that's another daunting project that I'm not looking forward to. So first things first, getting the engine all put together and all that stuff. So see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Peace.